Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Welcome to our online class. Class 9, Subject Chemistry, Matter Around Us. Part 5 we are going to discuss. In part 4 we discussed about separation of mixture in different method, how the mixtures can be separated. Solid and liquid and solid, and miscible, immiscible liquid, and different method how we can separate we discussed. Let us see about solution, types of solution, colloidal solution, Brownian movement, Tyndall effect, emulsion, and types of emulsion. And these are the topics we are going to discuss. Let us see what is solution. A solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. In a solution, the component present in lesser amount by weight is called solution. The component present in larger amount weight is called solvent. So, the solute is a salt or sugar, and we will take only less amount salt or sugar, and solvent is water, which is make the solute to dissolve. So solvent is water. To mix together, we will get a solution. In short, a solution can be represent solute plus solvent gives solution. The solute what salt and solvent water, and we'll get a salt solution. So solute salt, solvent water, we'll get a salt solution. Let us see types of solution. Based on the particles present in the solution, we can classify it into three types. They are true solution, colloidal solution, and suspension. In a true solution, the particle size are less than 10 power minus 7 centimeter. Particle size between 10 power minus 7 to minus 5 is in colloidal solution. Particle size are greater than 10 power minus 5 is suspension. So, in presence of particle size, they are divided into three parts: true solution, colloidal, and suspension. Let us see dispersed and dispersion medium and name some examples. Solid, solid, solid sol, alloys, gems, colored glass. Solid in liquid, sol, paint, ink, egg white. Solid in gas, aerosol, smoke, dust. Liquid in solid, gel, curd, cheese, jelly. Liquid in liquid, emulsion, milk, butter, oil in water. Liquid in gas, aerosolol. Mist, fog, clouds. Gas in liquid, gas in solid, solid form, cake and bread. Gas in liquid form, soap, leather, aerated water. So when you open a cool drinks, you can see that carbon dioxide is coming out. So it is a gas in liquid. Let us see the colloidal solution shows some important features. What are they? Brownian movement. When a colloidal solutions are viewed under powerful microscope, it can be seen that colloidal particles moves in a zigzag direction. So the colloidal particles can move in a zigzag direction. See, this zigzag direction movement is known as Brownian movement. So when a colloidal solution, we have to keep in under powerful microscope. We can see the particles are moving in a zigzag direction. This Brownian movement of particles is due to unbalanced bombardment of particles by the molecules of dispersion medium. The next one is Tyndall effect. A Tyndall effect. Tyndall, 1869, observed a scientist by when a strong beam of light is focused on a colloidal solution, the path of beam becomes visible. This phenomenon is known as Tyndall effect, and this illuminated path is called Tyndall cone. This phenomenon is not observed in case of true solution. So, because of the particle size, only the colloidal solution shows Brownian movement and Tyndall effect. You can see this diagram. When you are keeping under power under a light torchlight, you can see the solution and colloidal solution. So the path can be visible in colloidal solution. This effect is known as Tyndall effect. The beam of light coming from the headlights of the vehicles is due to Tyndall effect. So at night or in the rainy season, you can see clearly the light will reflect in the roads because of the Tyndall effect, because of the particles present in the atmosphere. And blue color sky is also a Tyndall effect due to the Tyndall effect. Let us see the difference between suspension, colloidal solution and solution. Particle size in suspension less than 10 power minus 5 centimeter, and suspension less than minus 10 power minus 5 centimeter, colloidal 1 to 100 nanometer, and a solution 10 power minus 7 centimeter, less than 10 power minus 7 centimeter. And filtration separation is possible in suspension, colloidal and solution is not possible. Settling of particles settle on their own in a suspension, settle on centrifugation. So milk we can cream and milk we can separate by centrifugation, and solution, true solution, do not settled. And appearance, suspension opaque and colloidal and solutions are transparent. And Tyndall effect, suspension and colloidal solution shows, but in case of true solution it does not shows. A diffusion of particles and do not diffuse, and diffuse slowly and diffuse rapidly. Brownian movement, suspension may show and colloidal solution shows, but true solution may or may not show. And nature, suspensions is a heterogeneous and colloidal is a heterogeneous, and true solution is homogeneous. It completely mixed together. It is a homogeneous. Let us see about emulsion. A special kind of colloid is known as emulsion. An emulsion is a colloidal of two or more immiscible liquids where one liquid is dispersed in the other liquid. So both are in liquid, and this means one type of liquid particles get scattered in the other liquid. In the other word, emulsion is a special type of mixtures made by combining two liquids that normally do not mix. When the two liquids normally do not mix, we can mix by emulsion. The process of turning a liquid mixture into an emulsion is called emulsification. So, the process, we can make two liquids can be mixed together. It is known as emulsion. Examples are milk, butter, cream, egg yolk, paint, cough syrup, facial creams, fertilize, etc. are some of the common example of emulsion. The word emulsion comes from the Latin word meaning to milk. Milk is one of the example for emulsion of fat and water. We know that milk is mixed with fat and water. So when two liquid does not mix naturally, when we mix together, that is emulsion. The two liquids mix can form different types of emulsion. Let us see some examples. For example, oil and water can form an oil in water emulsion, where oil droplets are dispersed in the water, they are formed a water in oil emulsion with water dispersed in oil. Let us see a diagram. So it is a oil, water in oil, oil in water. So here oil space, water and silicone surface. And here is this is the oil space and water, silicone surface. Okay. So these are the types of emulsion, and we know the different types of emulsion are oil in water, water in oil. Let us see some applications of the emulsion. Emulsion find in wild application in food processing, uh, pharmaceuticals, metallurgy, and many other important industrials. They are using this emulsion method. Thank you, children. I hope you understand. Let us see next class. This class we discussed about solution, suspension, colloidal and true solution. The colloidal solution shows the two different types of movement, Brownian movement and Tyndall effect, and emulsion and the types of emulsion and applications of emulsion we discussed. Thank you.